Have you ever heard the sweetest bird voice in the world? That magical sound belongs to the koel bird. The Asian koel is famous for its beautiful, flute-like voice that echoes across villages and forests. Koel birds mostly live in Asian countries like India, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Southeast Asia. But why can't you hear them in America or Europe? Because koels naturally evolved in warm tropical Asian forests, not Western ecosystems. Some people believe they disappeared because of hunting, but the real reason is habitat and geography, not gun shooting. Here's a shocking fact. Koel birds don't build their own nests. They secretly lay eggs in crow nests. Listen carefully. This sweet voice is why people call the koel one of the most beautiful birds in Asia. If you ever visit Asia, wake up early and listen. The koel will greet the morning. Here is voice of koel bird.